Hey guys, welcome back. I am Cam. This is Super Mediocre Restorations. We're going to be putting some turn signals on the 65, and we're going to be cleaning up the inner fender wells and maybe trying to put some hood latches on. And we'll see how far we get, and well, let's see how it turns out. Okay, let's prop this up. Made this prop rod I don't know how long ago with a couple rubber ends, and I use it all the time. This gasket's all jacked up like the back one. We'll have to get new gaskets at some point. It's gonna be nice to get this thing back together so I don't have to worry about it anymore. All buttoned up, so I don't have to make any more videos. Let's just clean that up a little bit. Nice original turn signals. We know that they'll work nice. These are nice too. Okay. I don't know why somebody would have cut the gaskets like this, but they're cut, so right there. That wasn't so hard. There we go. Let's do it. Well, straighten it out. That works. That one's really nice too. Okay, I'm using some new microphone, and I'm hoping it can kind of cut down on some of the airplane noise. Airplane's going over right now, so we'll see. It's hard editing around talking and starting the camera and then having airplanes go over every minute. I'm used to it, when you're not recording or anything, but when you're trying to edit this stuff and you got an airplane going over, man, it's hard to edit that out. I just started really trying. I'm new to this stuff, so try to get rid of that stuff as much as possible, but I can only do so much. This stuff is amazing. I used to just use the WD, but this Aerocroil stuff is just, it's legit. It's expensive, but works really good. Yeah, see, look at that. Another janky gasket. Kind of matches the car though, so doesn't really matter. So I'm not exactly sure where I want to put this line. Like right in here. Kind of thinking going down like that. What do you think? I kind of got berated on one of my shorts because I got paint over under coating on the paint. People weren't happy. Didn't really care. It made me realize that we can get rid of that. Yeah, the cantaloupe stuff comes off with um, lacquer thinner. I'm sure some of these guys that probably not use the tape are just so excited now. There we go. Look at that. That's awesome. All that paint's probably going to come off as soon as I peel it off. That doesn't want to stick. Good enough. Let's spray this thing. So much for the tape. That is not good. I'm gonna have to clean the tip. Just the tip. Struggle bus. Oh yeah. It's getting smooth. I think some of that's rust. Trips me out that stuff comes off as good as it does. It's gonna be a lot of elbow grease. That's crazy. Just takes it right down to the Bahama Blue. I wonder if it was some sort of clear that they put on it and it failed. Oh, it's almost mint now. You hit it with a little bit of polish and the thing will shine. All right. Fresh can, freshly shook. So much better. All right, got to get under it, and that's where I'm going to screw everything up. So far, so good. All right, we'll try the tape thing again. Probably kind of like the other side. I feel like it's a lot more fun not taping off and seeing what you can paint on. And oh, I got yelled at again. Yeah, there's that. Let's do the back. Hey, let's shoot this thing. I'm going to give you a nice before. I'll give you an after I'm done. And that cleans up stuff real nicely. Makes it look like there's not any foam in this car. Never mind that. Let's black that out a little bit. All right, let's take this guy off. Oh, beautiful. Masking tape does work. I have to use masking tape more often. Looks, that looks a lot better. Never mind that back tire, it's a little flat. I got a leaky stem. The valve stem. That stem's okay. All right. Right in the middle above the headlights. Yeah, that'll be it. Okay, these are self-tappers. They're temporary. I don't know. That felt pretty permanent to me. Want to be gluten tight, so do a stretch on it. Mm. That is not as thick as this. Uh, that might not be permanent. I'm gonna put bolts in here. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. So straight up and back, and about 1/4 of an inch. Good enough. The reason I wanted that one's crooked. Just use my hammer here. There we go. Oh, that's perfect. Reason I wanted to start doing this was to keep motivation on some of my projects, and I feel like it's kind of helped. Like, well, this wasn't a planned project, but like for the convertible, that's one of my planned projects, and Well, I've lost motivation on that one because it's just such a big thing. But um, I did it with the 60 ragtop, so I could with Instagram, and I was able to kind of keep on track, and which was really nice. And with this, I feel like I can kind of keep on track too, because I'm trying to put a video out every week, but sometimes that doesn't happen. But it keeps me motivated and keeps me honest. Like, am I really doing as much as I can to get my projects done? You know, and I like the motivation. It it helps me greatly. So it doesn't matter about subscribers or views or whatever. It's kind of looking back and seeing what I've done. Okay, another little job done, and you know they say an inch a day. Well, eventually it'll get done. I don't know who says that, but my dad used to say that. Told me told me about that with a convertible that I had sold, and he told me that, you know, Cam, if you would have done an inch a day, it'd be done, and it stuck with me. And so yeah, clean it up, presentable. Need to do something with the hood and the front end. So I don't know when I'm going to do that, but sometime. So we're going to call it quits for the day. We're going to take the paddle boards out, go out on the Puget Sound, and hopefully I can come back and do another video. Hopefully I don't drown. We'll see. We'll see you later, and be cool to each other. Bye.